ICT in the recent history of the Philippines. The history of the Philippines has been one of a few countries shown unity and democracy for social change. This advocacy for social change would have not been possible without the role of ICT. It's a people power revolution. The people revolution lasted from 1983 to 1986. During a lengthy protest of Radio Veritas, Cardinal Sin encouraged the Filipinos to help end the regime of then President Ferdinand Marcos. A major protest took place along EDSA from February 22 to 25, 1986, involving 2 million Filipino from different regions and sectors. This includes civilian political parties and military and religious groups. The radio broadcast helped to change the course of history. Without it, Filipino would not have been moved into action. This was also known as the 2001 EDSA Revolution.